couple of days ago when I did the roof. When I chucked the other roof sheets down on the floor, this is what they did. The polycarbonate was burning the grass because of the sun. Welcome to Wooden Stuff Workshop. So yeah, there's the front edge of the workshop at the top there that I need to cover. And down here, I've got this stuff that I saved from a skip. So I was wondering if I can use some of that and nibble it up across to suit what I need on the workshop. Underneath this cover, I've got the timber ready for doing the sides of the front shed part of the workshop. See if we can make this suit the front of the workshop up there. Before I carry on doing this, when the sun comes out it's super hot. So a few days ago we bought one of these sails. So I'm going to see if I can fit this up against the workshop there, coming out this way, just so I can work under it there and only be out in the sun when I'm actually fixing onto the front of the workshop. But yeah, hopefully this will help me a little bit. So let's get this put up first. Sorry about the noise, next door's having some work done. So I'm going to be using this to cut this sheet of metal. So this is a nibbler from Parkside. So all I've got to do is draw a line where I want to cut it and then run some oil along the line, and then you can just go along with the nibbler. That's the plan. This sail's a bit low, but it'll do for now. I can't be bothered with it for now, it just wants to do this job. So all I'm doing here is putting oil along this line. just because that's what's recommended with the nibbler. And that cuts it as easy as that. I want 2 of them, so I'll just use that one for marking this other one off. Lovely. There we go, that'll do. We'll give that a lick of paint sometime, and where it's crossing over on top of the felt, I'll just bend the edge of the metal up so there's no chance of it cutting in the top of the felt, so it's not actually touching the top of the felt. But yeah, that'll do the job, stopping rain getting in the end there. The workshop roof's getting a good test, seems to be working great. Got plenty of slope on there to get it going. And then if I take you out, because I put some I finished a bit short when I first originally did this, so I stuck some extra angle iron, I stuck some extra corrugated iron at the end here, making sure it's got plenty of overhang, and it's working great. Just the end there, I need to have a bit of gutter on the end, but yeah, that's working brilliant.